Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're showing you today, this is a Garvey tabletop chain conveyor. It's a 4.5-inch wide conveyor. A Garvey Corp right here in New Jersey. About 10.5 foot long. As you can see, it's painted steel, but Garvey's a very heavily built conveyor and really nice. It has a modular design, so you can keep buying these sections you see here. You see that's a joining section there. There's a small union between the two sections, very heavily. You can pick it up with a forklift, it won't bend. Nice built conveyor. It's operating on 120 volts. And of course it's 90 volt DC motor, so it is variable speed. Has a little controller right here. Gives you a full range of speed. We have everything in process and packaging in our stock, so I do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us in this video today.